Hi everyone, welcome to KAD-TECH. Here we have another example of orthographic projections with a missing view. The missing view in this drawing is the side view. This will be our exercise number 23, isometric drawing using only the two provided views. To start with our drawings, type units in your command line. Press enter. And then change your unit to scale into meters with a precision of 0.00. Our unit is 0.00 because if you will check the decimal or the dimension of our drawing, it has a 3-digit number. And then press OK. Now turn on your ISO draft or your isometric snapping points. If you don't have this icon in our status bar, the ISO draft, you can go to isometric snap or object snap, then right click on it, go to object snap settings, click snap and grid, and then select isometric snap and then press OK. If you want to go back to the rectangular snap, what you need to do is right click again on the object snap settings, go to snap and grid, and then turn on the rectangular snap and then press OK. Now let's continue. So we will be making this part first. So the length of the line is 1.77. So click line or type L. Turn on your ortho or F8. Type 1.77. And then press enter. Since this view has an angle of 45, what we need to do is to create a line here with a dimension of 62. Let's turn on our OSNAP. 0.62, enter. And then going up, the measurement for this part here is 2.38. You minus with 1.77, it's 0.61. So let's create a line going up, 0.61, and then press enter. You can now connect the two lines, the two endpoints, to create an angle. So I will just delete this part. Now press F5 to change our isoplane. We will then create this part. So we're looking at on the top view. So the measurement for this one, so it means there's a surface here which is going down because of the angle. And then the corner here is 2. So going there is 2. Then we have a straight line. This part, this is 1.4. 1.4T. Enter. And then enter. So before we make the slanting line, we need to create the bottom line first, which is 4.5. And then going up to this part, which is 0.96, line again, F5. Now you can connect the angle lines on this part. But as you see on the top view, there is a space here, so it's moving inside, so it's not straight. So temporarily, this slanting line will help us in our next step. If you will check on the front view, there, I will zoom it. There's a hidden line. So this hidden line shows this part of the isometric. So the distance from this surface to the edge is 0.48. So let's create a line. Press F5, 0.48, and then press enter, and then we get copy this line, move it here. Let's make a line here so we will know where to trim our line. Now let's create a line going inside. 5. The measurement is 0.62. We need this angle again. Into this part. So the measurement for the surface here is 1.38. So what you need to do is just create a straight line, 1.38, then going down. So let's trim. And then another 0.62. Let's copy this line one more time for this part. And then we will create a line until here. So this is 1.36. Let's make a straight line first. And then 0.96, F5. So the measurement is 1.36. Press enter. Oh, it's 1.38. Delete. 1.38. So this is where our line should end. Now, the next thing that you need to do is to create this part. Okay, so there's a surface under because there is a little line. So this part is 1.38 and then 0.62. So we copy this line here. And then remove or copy again this slanting line. So what you need to do is make a straight line again. Okay, the easiest way is on this side. So the length of this line is 3.12 and from here to here it's 0.61. Okay, so let's make a line here. 0.61, F5, 3.12, and then go straight. And we will create a line here, F5. So we will trim now the lines that we don't need. And then delete. And then we'll create a straight line here. It won't be visible even if we make it straight. Anyway, let's make it like that and then trim those lines there. And then make sure to create a line here for the edge. Need another line here. And then trim. Now let's check if everything is correct. Okay, the last thing that we need to do is to create our ellipse. So this circle is located in the midpoint of this part, or in the middle. So the measurement going up until in the center point of the circle is 0.89. So let's create our guidelines. Type 0.89 and then type ellipse in your command line, and then select isocircle, F5, type D. So the dimension of the circle is, okay, wait, let's indicate first the dimension of our circle. It's 1.00. So again, let's go back to isometric snap. Type ellipse, enter, isocircle, click on the endpoint, type D for the diameter, and then type 1 or 1.00. Now, remove this line. All done. It's all correct now. So please don't forget to like and share this tutorial. And if you found it helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This will help me create more video tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and see you next time. God bless.